Evans, David Edge, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, if your bank charges don't frighten you, here's something that might. Paul Rowland is a ghost hunter with the National Ghost Hunting Alliance, and he's been holding monthly vigils at Plas Teg near Mold, which is allegedly Wales's most haunted house. He's got his own homemade ghost hunting equipment, and Jerome Evans has been on his trail.
In this 400-year-old mansion, said to be home to at least 15 ghosts, for one man, the proof is out there.
I think one day I am going to produce that little bit of evidence that everyone is looking for. I'm quite certain of it. Paranormal investigators up and down the country, every Friday and Saturday night, they're out with the cameras recording and videoing, and they seem to get very little in real hard evidence. There's nothing really solid coming through. And I thought, well, if we're not getting results that way, then we need to change the technology. Hence, that's why I started building the boxes like these. This is what I call a digital lighting unit, and it pulses the light at high frequency. It's got switches to turn it on: red, green, blue, ultraviolet and infrared. I've been told many times that ghosts and spirits exist at a different frequency to us, or a different wavelength. So by using this pulse lighting system, we might just find a resonant frequency that lights up a ghost or a spirit as it walks past. Some of the other technology that I've used, well, this is a small laser pointer. What we do is place them at the far end of a location, and what it does, it illuminates every speck of dust in that laser beam. And the very first time I ever used this, I caught what was possibly the first moving ghost or spirit in the laser light, walking straight towards me along the line of the laser.
Of course, the best time to see a ghost is at night, so we've brought along some technology of our own. An infrared night vision camera. We've come here to Plas Teg this evening, and we're here to try and record evidence of paranormal activity for the first time. It's going to be a Your Wales Today world exclusive. During these ghost evenings, members of the public come to the house for seances, equipment demonstrations, and to find out more about the ghostly inhabitants.
I believe he's felt most strongly in this room or in the bathroom off to that side.
But is this really a haunted house, or is it just a case of smoke and mirrors? To find out, we filmed a séance in the Regency room, where the ghost of the murderous Sir John Trevor is said to lurk.
I call upon the spirits in this room and in this building to show themselves to us tonight, to give us some evidence that you do exist. I call upon you with love and light, and I also call upon the angels above to give us protection. Come on, friends, give us some experience. Knock on the furniture, but don't break the ornaments.
Unfortunately, Sir John Trevor refused to come out of hiding, but the guys in the other room hit the jackpot.
Panning over the top of the people around the table, through the viewfinder, not through the screen, and all of a sudden I'd just seen something flash diagonally from top left to down to bottom right.
I got a message from my uncle who passed away a couple of years ago. It's actually it really upset me, to be honest, when I was in there, because I wasn't expecting it.
So we may not have our world exclusive, but for some people at least, there's more to Plas Teg than meets the eye.